Hey April, this is also from earlier. I called you with digital marketing solutions. I want to go over a few things with you from Angie's List, also your website. So here we go. This is a website you have right here, and here's an issue. There's only one page, right? There's no content on here at all, which is why it's not getting ranked, which is why it was on the 7th or 8th page, okay? So let me show you some first pages, some people that are on the first page that are ranking pretty well and get some business. So you have West Palm Beach, One Air conditioning and heating, and they're doing pretty well. Okay, with this page, they have all the services laid out right here. Okay, and then at the same time, they have the different coupons they have going on. They have contact us, and then what they do. Right, as we go down, you have special offers, request an appointment. They also have a Google Map Pack, which shows them which area they cover all around the South Coast. You go to the bottom, it shows you all the different agencies they partner with, and also you have social media, right? Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube. And how are they ranking? Let me show you. So this is going to be, UR is going to be the strength, okay? DR is going to be the popularity. Now they have 524 backlinks, which means they have different links referring back to their site, okay? So whenever you go to click, it might be on a lead generated site, it might be on something else, but if you click on that link, it's going back to that site, which is going to bring them more popularity and more drive, okay? They have 41 referring domains, which means it's on the other pages of other companies as well, okay? So more lead gens. 142 organic keywords, which is good. Organic traffic at 163. And then you have $5 or 5K right there when it comes to pay-per-click, okay? Next up we got up there, this is going to be Premier Comfort, okay? Premier Comfort, look at all the different, look how their site's laid out. AC repair, AC replacement, AC maintenance, indoor air quality, water heaters. So if you click on any one of these, it's going to be phenomenal to see what they do. Plus they have an online chat service which helps out immediately, right? So you can get in touch with someone immediately. You also do a review. You can text them. You want to chat with someone right away. You have 24/7 access to someone, okay? Scroll to the bottom, shows you also who they partner with and what they're doing. You have Facebook, Google Plus, you have Home Advisor, a couple other things right there as well. Yelp, Google Review, and their About Us page, what they can do for other people. That's what Google wants to see, okay? How they ranking? Look at their popularity and their strength, right? So 26 strength, and that's their popularity, okay? Doing pretty well. And then you have top rated. So look, we got Hopkins Air Conditioning. Hopkins Air Conditioning, also on the top. They are doing pretty well. Now, this is an older website. Doesn't mean it's not going to rank good, okay? The reason I say this is because you still have an old website, you still have the right content, which means you have 1,000 to 1,500 words on your home page, and that's going to have it ranked, it's going to rank it better with Google. So let's see how they're doing. Their strengths all right, their popularity could be a lot better, but their backlinks is where they're doing well, 330. Their domains could be better, 34 domains, but they have the right organic keywords, 238. So what are keywords? Keywords are anything like AC repair, AC companies, AC installs, anything to do with AC, right? So if someone goes into Google and type in, hey, I need AC repair, I need AC fix, AC leak, something that's going to pop up quickly on Google, we want your page to be on the top, first page of Google. That's where we want to put your business. So here's where you are right now. So your website, your strength, 6. Popularity, 2.5. You only have 38 backlinks, 6 referring domains. Organic keywords going to be at 0. Organic traffic, 0. Organic value, 0. So obviously what I would do is bring more SEO to your page. What that's going to do is going to put you on the top, meaning you're going to be on the first page of Google. It's going to take a little bit longer, but it's almost like investing, right? It takes a little bit of money, over time, and that way it stays up there. Instead of running ads, wasting money, and not running the ad the right way, depending on how you do it, once you stop running the ad, you stop seeing the ROI. So this is going to, in return, bring you a higher ROI by running SEO. So I hope you reach back out to me. I would talk to you earlier today. You reach back at the phone number I left for you, or hit me back up on this email. Hope you have a great day.